Do you ever feel like you're trying to be healthy, but might be missing a key piece of the puzzle? In this video, I'm sharing 5 simple tips for a healthy lifestyle and eating habits that are easy to follow and can truly transform how you feel every day. Taking care of yourself doesn't have to be complicated, so grab your water bottle, get comfy, and let's do this. We'll start with the basics. The food we eat. It's the fuel that powers your body and mind. And the best kind of fuel? Whole, minimally processed foods. Think vibrant fruits and veggies bursting with flavor, lean proteins that keep you satisfied, and whole grains that provide lasting energy. Imagine your plate as a rainbow. The more colorful, the better. These whole foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that keep your body functioning at its best. And a little tip from me to you, when you're grocery shopping, stick to the perimeter of the store. That's where you'll usually find the fresh produce, lean meats, and other whole food treasures. Ditch the processed stuff in the aisles and prioritize real, nourishing food. You'll feel the difference and your body will thank you for it. If you're finding this helpful, subscribe to Wellness Lori to see more videos to inspire you to live your best life. Now, let's talk about movement. I don't just mean hitting the gym for hours on end, but finding ways to move your body that you genuinely enjoy. Daily movement, even just 15 to 20 minutes a day, can work wonders for your physical and mental well-being. Regular exercise is a mood booster, an energy enhancer, and a stress reliever all rolled into one. So find an activity that brings you joy. Maybe you'd enjoy a brisk walk in nature, a fun yoga class, or playing pickleball with friends. The key is to find something you love, because that makes it so much easier to stay consistent. And consistency is where the magic happens. So put on your favorite playlist, lace up those sneakers, and let's get moving. When it comes to nourishing our bodies, balance is key. And that's where building balanced meals comes in. We want to make sure we're getting a good mix of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates in every meal. Protein provides the building blocks for strong muscles and tissues. Healthy fats support your brain function and keep you feeling satisfied. And complex carbs give you that sustained energy to power through your day. A simple way to create a balanced plate is to start with a good source of lean protein, like grilled chicken or fish. Then, fill half your plate with colorful veggies and the remaining quarter with some healthy carbs like quinoa or sweet potatoes. And don't forget about those healthy fats. A drizzle of olive oil or a sprinkle of nuts and seeds can add flavor and keep you feeling full and focused. If you're finding this helpful, subscribe to Wellness Lori to see more videos to inspire you to live your best life. Now, let's talk about the elixir of life, water. Staying hydrated is absolutely essential for our overall health and well-being. Water is involved in countless bodily functions, from digestion and nutrient absorption to energy production and even clear thinking. Think of it as the lifeblood of your cells, keeping everything running smoothly. I recommend carrying a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day. Keep it on your desk, in your bag, or even next to your bed. Start your morning with a big glass of water to kickstart your hydration, and aim to sip on it consistently throughout the day. You can even add some natural flavor with slices of cucumber, lemon, or berries if you're feeling fancy. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the business around you, but it's important to remember that rest is just as crucial for your health as diet and exercise. A healthy lifestyle includes making time to recharge and rejuvenate. It could be journaling, meditating, taking a relaxing bath, or simply curling up with a good book. Find moments throughout your day to prioritize self-care. Even just 10 minutes of quiet time can work wonders for your stress levels and overall well-being. Think of it as a gift to yourself. a way to nurture your mind, body, and soul. So dim the lights, put on some calming music, and allow yourself to unwind. There you have it. Simple, actionable tips for a healthier and happier you. Start small, stay consistent, and celebrate each victory along the way. Living a healthy lifestyle doesn't have to be complicated. So, find what works best for you and make gradual changes that you can sustain over time. Subscribe to Wellness Lori for more videos like this, and watch the next video for more ways to embrace healthy eating habits. See you there.